rather than talk about what I expect will take place, let's talk about what I think the market's reaction to the announcement or whatever catalyst that, that Mr. Trump may be giving to the market. If we look back and we look at these potential tariff headlines that have crossed the tape, typically the initial shock has been pretty negative. However, longer term, that one-day sort of news has been wiped out. So, for example, if we look at the S&P 500 year to date, there have been 36 days where we have had a positive 1% or minus 1% move. Basically, half of those days, we can narrow down the catalyst to being tariff or trade talks. So obviously, the short-term voting mechanism of the market does not like increased tariffs, does not like this trade war. However, longer term, I think the market understands that there are potential ripples, effects that will take place from this headline. But longer term, I think we'll be okay. So again, some slight volatility, but market moving more than a few days, probably not.
Okay, tell me how you expect that volatility to play out in Asia today. Yes, this announcement is coming after Wall Street closes, but Asian equity markets will be coming online over the coming hours. How do you expect investors in this part of the world to react to this uncertainty?
Well, the world this year has been extremely divided. We had extreme strength in the U.S. markets. For example, the S&P 500 is up 8% year to date. If you look over at Europe, you have the European markets down 3 or 4%. The MSCI Asia indices are down 6%, with a lot of markets in bear market territory down 20%. So my question is this. Yes, the markets have been extremely weak in Asia. If you look at the individual charts, there's plenty of support very near current levels. So to me, I'm of the opinion that the worst is pretty much behind us right now. The last seller has pretty much sold. And while there could be some additional weakness from some of this news that we are expecting any time here, we believe that the worst case is behind us, and we actually are looking for potential buying signs. Now, we are not there yet. We want to see support really start to hold. The SH comp is down 25%. We're at 2016 lows, and we believe these are pretty significant critical levels on the chart that we believe will entice buyers to show up here.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.